Hi there folks, I thought I'd do a quick video of packing of the Volkswagen camper van, Volkswagen T6.1. It's got a rock and roll bed which we flattened down. Now we've normally got about 400 litre kit bags. We're away for like 3 months at a time, plus several 100 litre kit bags. So within the van we can actually surprisingly pack kit away really quite neatly, and I'll just go through what we actually do. First of all, we put the rock and roll bed down. We pack the small 100 litre kit bags in here, the waterproof kit bags. We can get 3 in there underneath and in under the seat. Then with a 120 litre kit bag, such as this one here, we put that on the seat that has the seat belts going through, and this acts as a barrier for anything sliding forward. Should we have to brake quickly, and I'll just show you that. So that's the 120 litre here. Okay, and then behind that we've got this big space here at the back. That's another 120 litre, and it'll be another 220 litre bags just placed in there. That's 120, 120, and so there's 4 120 kit bags, and there's still plenty of space. And we don't have to anchor it down because we've got this front one here anchored with the seat belt, so you don't have to mess about with straps and things like that. I'll just go round this side and go in at the back here. The back we've got a cargo net which makes life a lot easier. We can stuff bedding etc. in there. Underneath here we've got water supplies, etc., boots, etc. Okay, so that's generally how we pack the camper van, certainly for travelling. I say we're away like 3 months at a time, so we're climbing, biking, skiing, boating, etc. So we've got a lot of kit, a lot of climbing kit, ropes, etc., boots. At the front here, I suppose I might as well show, I've got a little buddy box made up plywood for the toilet, and that just sits at the front there. And that's the fridge there. We can access the fridge. The only problem with the seats being down is we can't access the lower cupboards there. So we've got to pack things in we're not generally going to be using when travelling. But everything else is accessible, and day-to-day food we pack in here. Okay, electric kettle, cups, etc. So hopefully you find that quite useful, just seeing the layout of the van and how we actually pack all the gear into it. Okay, right, thanks then, bye.